How to permanently delete Booking.com account. Let's get started. Launch your Booking.com app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a fun option. Navigate to the option of profile. Once you're in the profile page, over here you're going to find different sections. Head over to the option of manage your account. Now navigate to the option of security. From here, you will be able to delete your account. Click on the option of delete account. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. Select the one of your choice, or also you can click on other and then give your reason. After you type in, you can click on delete account. You have just submitted request for the account deletion. To confirm your deletion, you have to check your email address. So close this and check your mail. You will be receiving mail from Booking.com. Click on the mail sent by Booking.com. Click on delete account. So this is how you can permanently delete Booking.com account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.